Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Lorraine here. Thanks for dropping by. I'm just going to do a quick flick through of my latest journal that I've made. I've just realised this is upside down. What is it? Sorry, ignore me. I'm just trying to work out if it's upside down or if it's my screen that's upside down. So anyway, we'll sort that out later. So this is, I love the little journal. Sorry about the sun, but I'm doing this first thing in the morning, the sun's in here. 2 signatures, it's a hardcover, fabric covered journal front. It measures 8 inches by 5.5 inches and it's got a 1-inch spine. It is my design team project for August for Enchanted Journal Kits Facebook group, and I will put a link below to the group and also to the Etsy shop where this kit is available, the Hydrangea kit. So it's just fastened together with this satin ribbon, and the journal cover is quite not a plain one, because I didn't want to put anything above here because I just love this image. So this image is backed onto some heavy duty cardstock. The fabric and card is stitched together. I've got this circle die cut under here with the word journal, I love it, and then these silk hydrangea petals with some flat back bling in between them. On the back is another hydrangea image. I love hydrangeas, they're beautiful, aren't they? And I love the variety in colours that you can get with them as well. So I'm not going to witter on too much, otherwise we'll never get anywhere, will we? So what else did I say? 2 signatures is stitched inside, and there's 56 pages front and back in there. So inside the front cover, this is an envelope that's in the kit, in the add-on kit, and I've just turned it into a pocket, and inside there is a little note from me to whoever's going to get this journal. It's got, I've covered the spine here with the same fabric that's on the front, just to hide the makings of the spine. Again, a page from the kit that I haven't done anything with. It didn't need anything doing to it, but it can be added to. You can do your own writing on top of there if you choose. I've also used some William Morris papers that I have in my stash. I've just fussy cut a little butterfly to go onto there. There's a little pocket here from, again this is from the kit, from the add-on kit, and I've just turned that into a tuck spot, and inside is a little journal card, blank, for lots of journaling. There's lots of journaling space in here, or space to add your own take on things. Another little journal card I've made using the William Morris paper, and I've added one of the circles from the kit. This page is also a secret journaling space, so tucked inside this large pocket is a journal card, again using William Morris. I've left it blank on the back so you can journal, you can write, you can diary on it, you could stick photos on it, you could do your own ephemera and put that on. It's open to your own interpretation. Let me just one moment please, the dogs are waiting to go out the door. One moment, come on boys, out you go, out you go. They'll be back in a second because it's so hot out there, but they want to go out and have a look at what's happening. So again, another one of the journal pages, beautiful hydrangea, and it's the images are on top of this collaged sheet. Not that I've done it, this is in the kit. And another one here, I've used some printed coffee dyed paper. It's lined, I don't know if you can pick that up. There. It's lined, so there's journaling space there. I've fussy cut this butterfly and I've put some bling on the front of there. This is a tuck spot, and behind is this little journal card and a little journal card there. This has got some blue lace around the edge just to add a little bit of interest to that page. And then again some more William Morris paper, and I've turned it into a pocket. It's stitched around, just another tab from the kit, and I've got throughout I've put these little words. These are actually from Artemis, freebies from Andrea at Artemis. And tucked inside that pocket is a little envelope, a little seed envelope, I think you call them, and inside are some journal. Oh, this is a journal card, and this is, I reduced some of the images. They're the full-size pages, but I've reduced them so that you've got little notelets. That just tucks inside of there. Another of the beautiful pages from the kit. Again lined coffee stained paper with another little name tag there, and it's got this beautiful floral lace trim on the edge of there. It's also got a little tab, a little brass tag on there, and it just says handmade on there. Another tuck spot pocket. I mean, there's plenty of space, you can put lots of things inside of there. A little journal tag tucked inside there. Some more of the images. And here is a side tuck, little pocket from the kit, and I've just put one of those in, but there's lots of journaling space available on that page. Here I've just again fussy cut a butterfly and put some bling on it, a little bit of a tag there. The centre of the first signature with these beautiful hydrangea images. And another one of the tags, I've just added that to that page. Another butterfly with the bling and some lovely gathered lace trim on the edge of that page. Another pocket, just using up some of the book pages, some of the kit pages, sorry, and another little name tag there. Inside here is another envelope. There's nothing in there, so you can store whatever you choose to in there, a little secret spot for you. And then I've made, again reducing the pages down, I've made a little notebook using some coffee dyed paper, so you have a little notelet there. That's nice, I like how that is. Another tuck corner spot there, and on lined paper. Another William Morris page with another of the little kit tabs there. Blank on the back for journaling. You could use it as a bookmark, I suppose. Another tuck, and inside there another little notebook that I've made. Blank space is what I mean about there's a lot of journaling space inside this journal. When I make a journal for me, I like a lot of journaling space because I do use my journals. I use them as a devotionals, for my prayer journals, just for recording events and memories. I use them. Another little circle punch here with a name tag and some more of that gathered frilly lace. Another tuck spot with, again, William Morris that I've collaged over tag. Another little fussy cut butterfly with some bling. Can you tell I like William Morris papers? I think they go so well when you're doing a botanical journal. A bookmark or a large tag in this lovely little pocket that comes with the kit, and another one of the little notelets that I reduce the pages for. And again, a secret journal spot, another large journal card, fussy cut butterfly and blank on the back. I just realised it might be a bit noisy here because I've got the fan blowing, so you might be picking up the volume from the fan rather than me. Another of the die cuts here. Here I've just fussy cut one of the butterflies and put some bling on, and another one of the little word plates. Another secret journaling space, but they're quite big pockets these, so you can put quite a bit of stuff in. And again, it's blank on the back for your own use, for whatever you want to do with it. And another bookmark come journal tag in this lovely pocket. I love the shape of that pocket at the top. Here is another pocket, little tuck spot, and lined paper again, and some more of the blue lace. Oops, 2 pages. Another pocket stitched around, and just a little collage work on top of there, and then this tag that's blank on the back for journaling, and another little journal card from the kit. Lined paper again, and the centre of the second signature with double pockets, using up the book pages again, fussy cut butterflies with the bling on, and a couple of tags here, and inside there another of the journal cards, journal pages up here for doing what you choose to do, and another little notelet inside of there. They're lovely. Quite handy, you can put that in your purse or your handbag, use it for shopping lists or whatever. Another journal card. This should have been a pocket, an envelope, but I didn't know use for it, so I made it and turned it into a journal card. And again, another little notelet. Some more of the floral lace trim, journaling page. Here we have a belly band tuck spot. Inside of there is another one of the little notebooks, and on the front is one of the bookmark tags and a little journal tag there. You can also journal, you know, on this, you could journal down here, fill it up with all your old stuff. And another pocket using some of the paper from the kit. Again, a little collage on the front of there, and inside quite a bit, a little notelet again, journal space at the top of the page, a little tag for journaling, and another journal tag in there. Some more of the gathered lace. Here I've die cut these on my, what do you call them, Sizex machine. I used up vintage book pages, then distress inked over the top, and I just thought using that went with the book here, so I like that. Here is another little tuck spot using one of the journal cards. There's a journal card tucked behind there, and another journal card inside there. They are on quite sturdy cardstock. Another thing that you can use these for, especially the larger ones, if you're journaling, let me find a page with the butterflies on with the bling. If you were going to journal on something and these are behind, sometimes if you're trying to journal on this page, the bling comes through, but if you put this underneath, it stops it. It acts as I don't know what the word is, but it stops the bling coming through the page. And there we are. I've left this blank, so again you can journal or you can decorate it you know, with whatever you choose to decorate it. So that is a very quick video showing you my latest journal for my design team project for Enchanted Journal kits. So please bob along and have a look at the kits available in the Etsy shop. I will link this one below. Never right mess about, I will link this one below, the link for this kit, and you go and have a look at the other things. Thank you for watching. I would say this is going to be in my coffee shop for sale. If anybody's interested, just drop me a message. But I am doing a craft fair this coming weekend, so I'm going to be taking this one along. So if it doesn't sell, it will be available, and I would appreciate just if you a subscriber now. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. If you're new here and just watching for the first time, welcome along, and please consider giving me a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing for me. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day, and thanks again. Bye.